a game-based learning approach, Cyber Threat Protector is a tabletop card game designed to be fun and easy to play. And players as young as 9 can get in on the action. Players can learn how to be cyber aware while developing their cybersecurity knowledge through repetitious play and make connections between cyber defenses and cyber attacks. As a bonus, Cyber Threat Protector engages critical thinking, creates a bridge between abstract concepts and concrete knowledge, and creates an engaging social experience in the classroom or home environment. Players will quickly discover that the key way to win the game is to build up their network of assets and to protect those assets with appropriate defenses from their opponent's cyber attacks. Players will naturally learn that for every attack, there is a defense to block it. But the varied attacks are always challenging a player's strategy. Ultimately, the player with the most complete security defense will be the one who's able to protect their critical assets and emerge the winner. And as always, complimentary classroom sets are provided at no cost to elementary school teachers. To learn more about Cyber Threat Protector or purchase your own deck, go to ciasgaming.com.